Good evening everyone. Today is the 7th day. Today I want to tell you about self-development. Self-development. I want to lead myself to improve day by day in every area of my life. My finances, my health, my career, yes, in every area of my life. And this one, my communication skills and my confidence. I want to become a great leader, but to start it, I will lead myself first. To become a leader, you need to lead yourself first. To wake up at the same exact time, even weekend, because I'm waking 5 a.m. every morning, but it is every weekdays because it forced me to do because of the employment. But I want to join the 5 a.m. club. The 5 a.m. club is waking up still at 5 a.m. even it is weekend, even it is holiday. Also, I want to still healthy because we know that health is wealth. And I want to improve my communication skills because I want to lead someday. Also, at my work, I'm reporting, so I need it to become better. And yes, I don't do this because for me, I want to do this not just for myself, but also to everyone who loves me. So see you again for the next video.